In this video, let we see the interview experience of Wilmi M3. This was taken a few days back. In this video, let we see what are all the questions asked in interview experience in Wilmi M3. That means in second round. Let's see. The first question they will be asking is self-introduction. You want to introduce you by yourself. Let me tell how you can answer for this particular question. I already done a video how you can prepare for this self-introduction. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can able to use the video to prepare for the self-introduction. It will be very useful. The first question they have asked is write a Java program to check whether given tree is BST or not. Particularly in TR round, that means questions related to technical. Mostly they will be asking questions from either from Python or Java. They will be asking which language you will be more preferred. They will be asking what language you want to prefer for the questions. If you ask for Python, they will be giving questions related to Python. If you are asking Java, they will be asking questions related to Java. So prepare any one of the language, or if you familiar with both, it nice, you can answer for any questions they will be asking you. For this particular question, like given tree is BST or not, you can get answers from Google itself. And another important thing is they will be asking you to use the compiler. You can use the online compiler. Just go to Google and type online Java compiler or online Python compiler. You can use those compilers to code for the particular programming questions asking by them. That's how you can answer for this question. And the second question is write a program to implement stack using queue. You want to implement stack using queue, you can use any you can use Java or Python, but you want to remember that mostly in technical interview they will be asking questions related to data structures only. Data structures, algorithms, mostly the questions will be thrown from these sites. So before attending interview, work all data structures question, work on all the data structures questions, like what is meant by stack, what how you can do operations with stack, what is meant by queue, how you can do operations with queue, implement stack using queue with stack, and other algorithms like searching algorithms. You can read basics of data structures from Google itself. So before attending technical round, prepare well in data structures, because I have seen many of them got questions from data structures only. So be prepared with the data structures, mostly like graphs and trees from data structures. And the third question is write a program to implement insertion sort. This is a sorting algorithm. You want to implement sorting using insertion sort. Mostly they will be asking sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort. Mostly they will be asking from these 5 sortings only. But for this particular experience, interview experience I got from the person, he got the insertion sort. So you can prepare this insertion sort. If you have luck, you can able to attend this insertion sort. Let me tell once again, you want to prefer 5 sorting algorithms. These 5 are most important when compared to other algorithms. The 5 algorithms are like insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, then quick sort, and bubble sort. These are some of the sorting algorithms you can prefer before attending any technical round in Wilmi M3. And the fourth question is write a program to implement binary tree. Again, this question is related to data structures only, DSA concepts. Like it comes under the tree algorithms. So prepare a tree and graphs in data structures, so it will be more useful to clear the round. Mostly if you answer all this data structures related questions, you will be selected, mostly you will be selected. So prepare with these algorithms and data structures. The fifth question is like write a program to implement binary search. Again, here the searching algorithm, you want to implement the searching algorithm using binary concept. You can prepare for this particular question from Google, because there will be more advanced algorithms and advanced concepts implemented using the Python and Java. You can prefer this. And again, let me tell, while preparing for these questions, use either Java or Python or both, so that you can able to attend the question. Don't learn C++, because mostly they will be not asking these from these. So prepare well in Java and Python, and also write code and test your algorithm, so that you whenever they ask question and you try to implement, if you get any errors, it will take some time, and you may lose marks, or if you solve those errors you may get marks. But before attending, try your code in online compiler, which you are going to perform in the interview round. So the sixth one is, if you are mentioning skills like SQL, mostly they will be asking questions from Python, Java, and SQL only. So prefer in these fields. The question is like difference between DBMS versus RDBMS. DBMS means database management system, and RDBMS means relational database management system. Let me tell some differences between these two things. In DBMS we use file concepts, whereas in RDBMS we use rows and column concept with tables. Whereas in DBMS we can't do any normalization, whereas in RDBMS we do a normalization to make a more perfect database. And the example for the DBMS are files, and the example for RDBMS are SQL, are like these things. These are some of the basic differences between DBMS versus RDBMS. You can prefer for this question. The seventh question is like explain about select statement in MySQL. Let me tell the answer for this question. The select statement is used to get the data, that means records from the table in database. This is the basic explanation for select statement. And you can also use an example like select employee ID from employee table, like that you can mention. By this query we can able to select the employee ID, all the employee ID from the employee table, like that you can explain to the interviewer, so that they will be get more impressed on this particular answer. The eighth question is difference between drop and delete in MySQL. Again, this is one of the most important question. They will be asking difference between drop and delete, drop and truncate and delete. These are the questions they will be mostly asking from differences in MySQL. Let me tell the difference between these things. Drop is the data definition language command, whereas the delete is the data manipulation language command. The drop related to the tables, whereas the delete related to records. Using drop we can able to drop the entire table, whereas using delete we can able to delete the records, particular records from the table. This is the basic difference between the drop and delete. If you want, you can prepare from Google itself. Then the ninth one, usage of range in MySQL. The usage of range is to get values between a particular range. This is the basic usage of range in MySQL. The 10th question about project. Again, this is one of the important thing. I have researched many experiences from the Telegram as well as from the Google. Mostly they will be asking about your project. So prepare well in your project. Like if you are made 5 projects and you have mentioned 5 projects in your resume, so be prepared well in your 5 projects, because they will be asking randomly from those particular 5 projects. For an example, if they asked explain about XY Z project, you should answer like you should mention some of the details about your project. Let me tell what and all you want to mention while asking this particular question. You want to mention your entire working explanation, and you want to explain what are all the difficulties you faced while building these projects, and you want to explain what are all the technologies you used in this particular project, and explain the block diagram, and at last explain your usage of the particular project. You can use five about you can explain this project using these five things. It's enough to explain for this particular project. While they are asking in the rounds in MySQL, sorry, in Wilmy M3. The 11th question is like OOPS concept. This is one of the important thing because the four basic OOPS concepts are like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and the other thing is like using these four OOPS concept, they will be asking questions from you. So be prepared well in OOPS concepts. Then the 12th question is what is DCL? DCL means data control language. Data control language means you can control the insertion deletion of particular table using queries like revoke and grant and revoke. By using grant, you can able to grant permissions to particular users, whereas revoke is used to take the permissions from particular users. This is the basic explanation of DCL. DCL means data control language. You can explain like this to the interviewer. The third one is like what is 3NF? 3NF means third form of normalization form. You can search information about this from Google, and you can explain with a basic example of 3NF. And also there will be like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and also you can read these things from Google. The 14th question is what is meant by normalization? Normalization is a concept used in MySQL to make the tables very perfect, and to eliminate the duplicate columns from the tables. This is the basic explanation. And you can search through Google, and you can also search through YouTube, so that you can learn normalization, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and other things from the YouTube too. And the 15th question is advantages of normalization, and you can also search for this particular question in Google. The 16th question is what is meant by hash map. The hash map will be like in Java. You want to explain hash map, and you want to explain the syntax too. The 17th one is difference between Java and Python. Mostly they will be asking questions from Java and Python, and also they will be asking difference between Java and Python. You can explain to the interviewer too. 18th one is usage of decorator in Python. The decorator means you can modify the functions according to your needs. This is one of the usage of decorator in Python. 19th one is usage of constructor in Python. Let me tell the answer for this particular question. The usage of constructor is to initialize various values in classes. Like for example, if you are building an app and you want to say an welcome message before doing any particular action, you can use the constructor, where the constructor will be called when the object is created in the main function. You can explain like this. Whereas in constructor it will be like def underscore double underscore init underscore, and you can mention self. This is the basic syntax how you can create the constructor in Python. The 20th one is this is the rare question they will be asking, like usage of machine learning. You can, for this question you can answer like machine learning can be used for face recognition, and it will be used for sentiment analysis, and other things like prediction, like that you can mention. And let me tell some tips you can prefer for machine learning, IoT, big data, most recent technologies, so that it will be useful if they ask any questions related to new trending technologies or new technologies. So, but it will be a rare questions from the Wilmy M3 interview round. But you can prepare for this particular technologies too. Um, Then this is one question they asked, but mostly in interview round in Wilmium 3, they will be asking only from the technical side, whereas the HR round questions will be asked in automated video round. So you can, but rarely they will be asking these questions like what are your strengths and weaknesses. For this particular thing, I have made a separate video. There will be it will be more useful. I will be giving the link in the description box. You can use the link. Note, this is an important note. Mostly questions will be from technical side only in Wilmi M3 second round. So don't panic. Mostly they will be like technical side only. In automated video round only, they will be from the questions will be from HR side. All the best for your interview preparation. If you have any queries, you can follow me in Telegram channel. I will be giving the link in the description box, and I also will be giving the link for tell me about yourself and what are your strengths and weaknesses. And I already made three videos on Wilmium 3 interview experience, which was conducted 1 month ago. I will be giving those links in the description. You can use those links to prepare for your interview round.